from asking are you born yet?
Good day everyone, my name is Rafi Plasencia. The death penalty carries and brings justice among the innocent people and their families. No criminal justice system in the world is definitely prone from crimes. That of the Philippines is one of those. The rest of judicial errors then sharply increased if torture or ill treatment of criminal suspect is used to instruct confession. Such grave violence of human rights, the prohibited of the Philippines Constitution by the key international human rights treaties to which the Philippines is party. The challenge facing lawmakers today is clear: have the responsibility to lead public opinions away from the false and simplified belief that the death penalty an effective deterrent to crime, or that retribution or vengeance justifies the state killing. People have become liberal that are willing to give everyone second chance. People want to give the man who raped and murdered in women in matter of the day same second chance as the little boy and stole candy bar from the grocery store. It might just be, but I see huge difference of the effect of those crimes on the rest of the population. Women are not going to live in fear about going to the grocery store because it little boy stole candy bar, but the right going to think twice about going shopping by themselves at the night when they've heard that serial rapists and murder among them. I think all crimes should have equal punishment, but I don't necessarily believe in this way of thinking. Citizens of the United States are found in the similar privilege and assurances as Americans. We have the right of life, liberty, and the pursuit of the happiness. People believe that the murder takes the right from the person. Why should they still connected to society? Thank you.